Hey, what's up? Today I'm going to share with you 11 different ways you can become a millionaire in the UAE. I'm going to split this video into two different categories. The first one is going to be where you actually go and purchase raffle tickets and win raffle draws in return. And the second category is going to be where you can just save money and win raffle draws in return. Now, nothing is ever perfect. There are pros and cons to both categories. And before we get started, I will quickly touch upon what those pros and cons are. If you go with buying the raffle tickets, the major problem with that is that you have to actually spend money to purchase the raffle tickets. It's not going to be a case like in the second category where you just save money and in return you can win these amazing draws. That means if you use 1000 dirhams towards your lottery, then in the first category you're never going to get that money back if you don't win that lottery. Whereas in the second case, you can get that money in principle fully out, and in some cases you can even earn an interest rate or a profit share rate on them. Then you might be thinking the obvious route is to go with the second category. But no, the problem with the second category is that a lot of people are saving money and they're saving a lot of money. So then the number of entries into each draw becomes massive. Let me give you an example. If there is one guy saving 1 million dirhams in one of these accounts and you only need 500 dirhams to enter into that draw, that means there are 2000 entries just for that one person who has 1 million dirhams in his account. Now, if you factor in the number of people who are saving and the number of accounts, the entries into these draws can go into the hundreds of thousands of entries, and that becomes a very difficult draw to win if you are just one of those entries. So essentially what that means is, are you willing to lose the money in order for a better chance of winning those lotteries, or would you rather save the money and hope for that chance of winning the lottery? Obviously, just because you have a better chance doesn't mean that you're actually going to win. So it might be worth taking that into consideration as well. My recommendation is that you pick two or three of these options that are most suitable to you and invest in all of them so that you have the best chance of making it a millionaire overnight. So let's get into category one where you can purchase the raffle tickets. The first option is going to be Mazuz, and Mazuz lets you purchase a product for 35 dirhams each. And this product at the time of recording this video is a water bottle. So you go ahead and purchase that water bottle for 35 dirhams, and in return you get to select a few lucky numbers of your choice. And when you select these numbers, those numbers become your raffle numbers. The number of lucky numbers that you get to pick for that 35 dirhams is usually 5, but sometimes it becomes 6 or 7 as well. Now, if you want to win the jackpot prize, you need to actually match all of those 5 numbers that you have selected. The jackpot prize for Mazuz at the time of recording is 20 million dirhams. And of course, all of these products that I'm about to mention, I'm only mentioning the major draws. They all have other smaller draws as well that you will automatically be enrolled in. The next one is called Emirates Draw, and Emirates Draw is pretty similar to Mazuz in the sense that you have to purchase a product. In this case, it's a pencil when I'm recording the video, and this pencil can cost anywhere from 15 dirhams all the way up to 50 dirhams depending on what prize you want to enter into. To enter the grand prize, you have to choose the 50 dirham prize and you have to select the lucky numbers as well. The grand prize is 100 million dirhams at the time of recording for Emirates Draw. Draws are conducted on a weekly basis for both Emirates Draw as well as Mazuz. The next option is called Big Ticket, and in Big Ticket you get two options. You either win the cash prize or a car. The cost to purchase the cash prize ticket is 500 dirhams and the cost to purchase the car ticket is 150 dirhams. There's no products involved. It's all straightforward. You just go and purchase a lottery ticket and that's that. The cash prize at the time of recording is 15 million with big ticket, or as I said, you get to win the car. The draws are conducted on a monthly basis for big ticket. By the way, links to all of these options will be in the description below, so you can go and do a little more research if you need to. The next option is called Dubai Duty Free Millionaire, but I'm just going to call it Duty Free Draw because it's too much to say. And this option is also going to be a direct purchase your raffle ticket to win. There's no products to purchase to be enrolled. The cost to purchase the raffle ticket to enroll into the cash prize is 1000 dirhams. The cost to enroll into the car prize is 500 dirhams, and the cost to enroll into the motorcycle prize is going to be 100 dirhams. The thing I love the most about this draw is that each draw has a certain number of tickets available. For the cash prize, there is 5,000 tickets and that's it. So one ticket will win the grand prize of 1 million US dollars out of just 5,000 tickets. So you will not be one of those hundreds of thousands of raffle ticket holders waiting to be a lucky winner. For the car draw, you'll either be one of 1,500 ticket holders or one of 2,500 ticket holders, depending on what car it is. And for the motorcycle, you'll be chosen from just a pool of 1,200 raffle tickets. Now let's get into the second category where you can save money to win these amazing prizes. The first one is called Ajman Bank Millionaire account. To win with Ajman Bank, all you have to do is create the account and have a minimum deposit of 10,000 dirhams, and you have a chance to win 1 million dirhams every 6 months. The second option comes from CBI or Commercial Bank International, and they have a product called Mabruk Savings Account. You also need to have a minimum deposit of 10,000 with this account for a chance to win 1 million dirhams, but the draw frequency is every year. Now remember, on top of this, every additional 500 dirhams that you save in this account, you get an additional entry into that draw. The next option is going to be the Emirates Islamic Bank Kunuz Savings Account. You have the chance to win 1 million dirhams every quarter, and the minimum deposit to get started is 3,000 dirhams, and every 3,000 on top of that you save, you get an additional entry into that draw. Now one of my favorite options when it comes to these type of accounts is the ADCB Millionaire Destiny Savings Account, or MDSA, and it's great because you get to start with as little as 5,000 dirhams, but not only that, you get an additional entry into the draw every additional 1,000 dirhams that you save with them. Every 6 months they give you a chance to win 2 million dirhams, and every single month you have a chance to win 1 million dirhams. Another option is from ADIB or Abu Dhabi Islamic Bank, and this is not a product that I usually recommend, but it is an option and I thought I'd give you the information for you to decide. The reason I don't recommend this is because it starts with a minimum requirement of 20,000 dirhams, and you need an additional 20,000 dirhams for each additional draw entry. Not only that, to be eligible for the grand prize of 3 million dirhams, you need to have at least 4 entries, which means you need to have a minimum saving of 80,000 dirhams in their Gina savings account to be eligible for that. Draws are conducted every 4 months, which means 3 times a year. Now, a lot of people have probably heard about this one, and this is called the Mashrak Millionaire. And the Mashrak Millionaire is a great option for anyone who wants to just get started, because they have two options. One is where you can go to the bank and just present your Emirates ID and purchase saving certificates which will be enrolled into your draw. The minimum amount of certificates that you need to purchase this way is 3 certificates, which means 3,000 dirhams. Each certificate is valued at 1,000 dirhams. The second option is if you already bank with Mashrak Bank, then you can just create a Mashrak Millionaire account with them, and as soon as you save every 1,000 dirhams in that account, you are enrolled into that Mashrak Millionaire draw. The grand prize is 1 million dirhams, and draws are conducted every 4 months. That is 3 times a year. Now, last but not least, National Bonds. They have a lot of amazing products that let you win amazing prizes. I'm not going to get too much into detail on this because I have created detailed videos on all the products that National Bonds offers. So I'll leave a playlist right here that you can click and check it out. Or if you already seen those videos, check out this video. If you found value from this video, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't already. I'll catch you in the next one. Take care.